Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing today? So, I am joining in the uh, Dolls Gone Goth black with the splashy green with Marna at Dolls Rescued and Dorie at Dorie's Dollies for the month of March. So, what I have here is HarleyLimestone, and she's dressed in black. She's got an sparkle club shirt on that's got her splashy green, and of course her hair and her makeup. But for this video, she's going to be my goth girl. And I don't know if any of you have ever tried to put these boots on a doll after removing them, and you do it without saying some dirty words. You have my congratulations. Anyway, this was a fun little thing, and hopefully I can use Harley some more. Can't wait to see your videos, and I can't wait to see what next month brings. See you later. Thanks for the fun challenge. Bye.